Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, clickgatget. Here, you'll discover the latest and coolest gadgets, honest tech reviews, unboxings, and smart tips to make your digital life easier.
The best carpentry work, code nailing gun reviews. Cordless nailing gun for carpentry and DIY projects, powered by a high-capacity lithium battery for long-lasting performance. Features a precision code nailing system with wire slot for neat finishing. Lightweight, portable, and easy to operate, making it ideal for home use, furniture repair, and wood construction tasks.
Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more great content.